Hey, if you don't get your mindset right, your keto journey could fail before it even begins. I've seen it over and over. Someone starts strong, hits one bump in the road, and suddenly they're saying things like, I knew I couldn't stick to this. I always fall off. Maybe I'm just not cut out for keto. But here's the truth. It's not the food that makes people quit. It's the thoughts they believe after a setback. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 powerful mindset shifts that can turn negative thoughts into fuel for success before they sabotage your progress. Let's dive in. Point number 1, your thoughts are driving your results. Your mindset is either propelling you forward or pulling you backward. When you tell yourself, I failed, after a carb-heavy meal or a weekend slip, that thought creates guilt, and guilt creates inaction. Instead, try this. Pause and ask, what led to this moment? What can I learn? Maybe you skipped a meal, maybe you didn't prepare, or maybe emotions took over. That's okay. Reframing these moments puts you back in control. Instead of spiraling in a negative direction, you shift gears. Instead of giving up, you level up. Point number 2, mistakes are not the enemy. They're your guide. A mistake isn't the end of your journey. It's feedback. If you treat every off day as a chance to gather information, you'll learn faster, adjust smarter, and grow stronger. For example, maybe you ate something off plan at a restaurant. That's not failure. That's your signal to plan better for the next time. Overate late at night? Maybe your meals didn't have enough fat or protein? Mistakes show you where you can improve, and those improvements compound over time. That's how real transformation happens. Point number 3, drop the perfection pressure. Let's be real. Trying to be perfect is the fastest way to burn out. Keto isn't about never making a mistake. It's about making better decisions more often and bouncing back faster when life happens. Progress looks like choosing a bunless burger today when you didn't yesterday. It looks like walking past the donut table without stopping. It looks like learning from a bad day instead of quitting over it. Every small win counts. And reframing your thoughts allows you to see those wins instead of ignoring them. If you're feeling stuck or frustrated right now, I want you to remember this. Your thoughts aren't facts. They're stories. And you have the power to rewrite the story starting today. Don't let one setback define your success. Reframe it. Learn from it. Keep going. If this message hits home, give the video a like and subscribe for more mindset and keto support. And drop a comment below with the one thought you're ready to reframe starting today. You're closer than you think. Don't stop now. See you in the next video.